In Motionboard, we can change the behavior of our mouse clicks. Currently, it is set to drill down when we click on an area that is capable of drilling down. As an exercise, let's change this behavior so that whenever a user left clicks, instead of drilling down, it drills up whenever possible. To do so, left-click on the line graph to show the pop-up menu and click Edit Chart. On the left side, the Chart Settings tree, scroll to the topmost until you see Common Settings and click General to change the contents of the right pane. Then on the right pane, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the item Functions assigned to left-click menu. Change the current value to drill up. Click OK to finalize our settings and return to our dashboard. Left-click once on the line graph to drill up. You will notice that left-clicking on this drillable point no longer performs a drill down action. Instead, to drill down, we need to right-click on the same area and choose Drill Down from the pop-up menu. To drill up, simply left-click on any area of the line graph. Next, you may have noticed this tab on our dashboard. Let's change its name to Page 1. To do so, simply right-click on the tab and choose Tab Properties from the pop-up menu. This will show the Tab Properties pane. On the title text box, type Page 1 and press OK to finalize our settings. Press the Exit button to exit Dashboard Edit mode and go back to View mode. Click Save and Exit to save our dashboard definition. Lastly, we will publish this dashboard. To do so, click on the Motionboard logo to show the dashboard tree. Then, simply drag and drop the immediate parent folder Retail from My Boards to the Board Root folder. There you have it. We have just completed our basic Motionboard tutorial, starting from creation all the way to publishing our dashboards.